In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restring this Ego 56 volt string trimmer. First thing you need to do is get some 0.095 string line. I have this Ugly Twist brand here. I really like this stuff. I'll leave a link in the description below. It's awesome. You want to line up the holes where the string comes out, one on either side, with the green dots or marks on the top of your string trimmer. Turn this around until they line up. You'll turn it anti-clockwise. There, it's actually got load written on there. We're going to take our string line and we're going to thread it through. Thread the string line in through the string trimmer. You locate one of the sides and you'll see a little green hole in here. The two arrows right here are pointing to it, right there. So we're going to take our string line and we're going to thread it through and push it through until it comes out the other side. Now it's coming out the other side, we're going to pull half of it through. We're going to hold the base of our head still and then we're going to turn this head anti-clockwise. That's how to restring the string line on an Ego 56 volt string trimmer.